Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today we will learn about the Kakini Vichar. So it is an ancient Vedic technique through which we can identify different kind of things such as our auspicious city where we can live, and also to whom we can do business and figure it out whether doing business with them is going to be good or not. Before going into the Kakini Vichar, I would like to thank my teacher Sagar Niyogi sir, from whom I have inspired to make this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the whiteboard. So in the whiteboard we can see the classification into 8 groups, and each varga, most of those contains 5 character, but for our varga it's all vowels and rest of the varga this contains consonants. We will use this chart to identify the first character of the name of the person and also the name of the city where he lives in. And for example, now we will take a name Samir, and he lives in Alberta. Now we will find it out that whether Samir living in Alberta, whether it's good for him or not. Let's have a look. So first we need to take this first character of his name, then we need to take the first character of the city name. Now we need to figure it out that where is S representing in this chart. So it's Sa and Alberta. So now we can say that for Samir the varga should be 8. As we can see, so his varga is 8, and for Alberta 1. Now we need to figure it out that what is the remainder for Samir and Alberta. So the formula is the name number multiplied by 2 plus the number of the city and take the modulus of it. So the calculation will be and now we need to calculate the remainder in the same way for the city. So if we drag it a little bit here, it would be easier for us. So for Alberta, it would be the city name, which is Alberta, multiplied by 2 plus the name number of Samir modulus of 8. So the calculation will be So now we get the final result. For Samir, the remainder is 1, and for city it is 2. So for calculating the auspicious city for a native, the city's number should always be greater than Samir. So it should be city's mod should be greater than person's name's mod. So in this way, we can calculate the auspicious city. I mean, if some of our clients come to us and ask about whether I need to move to that city or not, so through this calculation, we can find it out that whether city number is greater than his name number. If it is, then we will say that okay, you can move, and if it is less than city's mod number is less than a person's name number, then it would not be auspicious for him or her. Here we can see that we did it in a manual way. So I have also created an Excel file from where you can calculate it very easily, and the link is in the description. You can download that Excel sheet from there and make a copy and use it as you want to. So now let's have a look. Here we just need to place 2 numbers, and which is the name number. So here we will do it again. Suppose the native names is Samir again. So for Samir it is 8, and for Alberta it's 1. And now it's going to show us whether it is favorable or not. And let's go for another example. Suppose a client came to us, his name is Kevin. So we can figure it out from here. 2, and he wants to move to Los Angeles. And for Los Angeles here L, and it is 7. So if we put 7 here and then press yes, so it is showing that Los Angeles will not be a favorable place for that native. Sometime what would happen, a person may came to ask you, he wants to move to a city, but if those are from the same mod number, it will give a average. For example, suppose David wants to move to Toronto. So here is David. So if we find that it is 4, and you want to move to Toronto, so it is also 4. So here we will see that average. So that place will not give any benefit and also will not cause any loss as well. In this way we can figure it out that whether a person moving to a new city is going to be favorable for him or not. We can figure it out easily here. And yes, that's it. And I want to focus on another techniques. So it is not regarding the Vastu, but you can also use this technique to find it out whether you should partner up or make connection with another person or not, and whether it will give you fruitful result or not. So here you can see the table. Suppose we need to figure it out that whether Samir wants to make a business partnership with Tanvir. So for Samir, whether it is going to be profitable or not. So let's figure it out. So again, let's go Samir. It is burger 8, so it is 8. And for Tanvir, it is 5. And if we see that it is making a loss combination. So if Samir comes to Tanvir for a business proposal, or they want to proceed for a business, so there is a high possibility that the business will turn into a loss. So we can also use the calculation as well. So it is not the part of Vastu, but you can take it as tips. I hope you like this video. So if you have any question, please drop a comment below. I will try to figure it out. Till then, bye.